Hello, what's up, everybody? Abdullah Sharf here, and let me just uh, do my setup. Oh my goodness, okay, just setting up things quickly because I'm going to have Tony here as well. I'm going to go and invite him. I will join him with the Zoom call. I'm already late, Facebook, and let me connect. We are going to go through web scraping some web scraping, and we are going to use Selenium for that. Let me just wait for Facebook here. It's not loading because I have the link over there on Facebook. And let's see. For now, we just wait for people to join the live stream. If you have any question, you can ask me directly. If you have any question regarding anything, you can post that on the comments below. Papa, what's up, man? Hello, Itadra. Learning Selenium today. Okay, good then. We are going to practice then together. Then we will practice together.
Hello, is everything alright?
Oh, hello. Yeah, everything alright? Um,
My video doesn't work, so
I see.
I think
Can you see my? Can I show my screen and stuff like that? Because I'm already going live, so I already have like prepared some material.
yeah, I know. I just saw you went live like
Yeah.
74 seconds ago. So which website are we gonna scrape today?
This is something I found on. Let me share my screen, and then you can also see what I'm doing. All right. Uh, yeah, I will be going. I found this something I was working on for Upwork, and then I found it really interesting. Let me go to
Okay.
Let me go to the navigate there, and then I will also open my item. Open my item for now. Where is it's in Abdullah? Where is? Man, I have a lot of files.
I was just making a YouTube tutorial how to make freelancing.com proposals, and I was just editing it just now.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, I think I took it now.
Oh, even it's like I have a video that I made like few days ago, and then I had forever taking me to actually mm, do the editing part. So yeah, I think in the future I'll just have somebody editing my videos.
Yeah. Until then, we'll just stream.
Yeah.
Easier
Um.
that way.
Yeah,
Yeah, lots to do and lots to study and lots to.
exactly. Okay, my file is in Python automation, automate email, Craigslist, and it should be here. Ooh, hell of files. Scrape part, specialist data, and it's somewhere here. I think I'll open this with.
Oh, by the way, I managed to get PyQt5 like to finish up the tutorial, but then the tutorial requires me to use PyQt4, so I'm like still sort of stuck there. But I think I'm moving on to
Oh,
something else for web scraping.
oh, you
Yeah,
managed to download which one? PyQt 5 or 4?
yeah, I did PyQt5,
Okay.
but then the Semdex tutorial requires me to use PyQt5, so I was like, I
Hmm.
mean 4, so
I see.
I couldn't manage to actually find out what's going on with his code. So it was I was just watching it, so it was pretty sad.
Hmm.
But oh, and yesterday the ML programmer guy helped me with getting a Windows Anaconda. So like the one that we were using all along from Kazi's tutorial was always the Macintosh version of Anaconda. So once you download the Anaconda 3,
Mm-hmm.
um, you can go to the Windows command prompt and install Anaconda 3 from there, and then it would integrate into your command prompt terminal, so that you get a black screen instead of the command.php, and you use conda install over install most of the time.
I see. Conda install instead of install. I see. Script data. .py. Okay. Here's where we are going to be scraping our stuff. So this is going. I'm going to be using Selenium. Do you have Selenium, or you can just do pip install Selenium? I post that
Um,
command in my video live things. By the
I
way, isn't
can
Selenium more
oh,
suitable for web
I can exit this
automation, or
YouTube.
you
So
can web scrape
oh,
as
there
well?
we go. Okay.
Uh, yeah,
I'll conda install Selenium.
yeah. So somebody was asking. Tidra. Tidra was asking. Oh, yeah. It is actually used for automation, but you can also use it for web scraping because sometimes some websites like they block your they blocked some of the web scraping techniques, so I had to use Selenium for that.
Hmm. Ooh, good job. You're getting people answering asking questions.
Yeah.
Should I like git clone your file or something? Do you have it on GitHub so I should just
Oh, you should just clone it. I didn't have it on my GitHub. Let's see. I will open my terminal because I also need my CMD here. Just give me a while. Um, oh, it's taking forever. CMD. You need something called Chrome Drive. You need to download that.
Chrome Drive?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just go to Google Chrome Drive and then based on your huh?
Was it Chrome Driver?
Oh yeah, Chrome Driver. Sorry. Yeah.
It's Driver.
Yeah. CD desktop. Then I need to go to my automation, and I will go to crack a script, and then I'll do Python arts.py. It's get art.py. Let's run this and see what happens.
What do I do after I extract? Got the download down.
Oh, you download it? Just oh, copy the path and then put it inside your the same way we did for Anaconda. You remember that time?
Um,
Put in your
yeah.
path variables.
Oh, into path variables
Yeah.
and environmental variables.
So I think my Selenium is actually working now. It opens an actual web page, and then it is going to scrape this website. Now, for now, I'm just checking if actually everything is working, and then after a while, I will explain later why did I even use Selenium for this, because this website is like yeah, it's automatically writing whatever I entered, and
So
then
I just put the environmental pathway to the place where I extracted my file, and then I should be done, right?
yeah, exactly, something like that. It's like the where you save, where you downloaded the file, and then where you extract it. Then over there you will see like something called Chrome driver. Can you see it? It's like a it's like an application or something.
Um, can you show me how you did that?
Oh, all right. Okay, you see my screen.
Yeah,
Once you download the Chrome driver, and for
yeah.
me it is saved in my users here, Dell, and I also forgot where did I saved it. I think I have something called, oh yeah, Chrome driver here inside my users Chrome driver, and then I have my Chrome driver inside here. Do you see this?
Yes,
You have this,
yes,
right?
yes,
So then you need to go to
yeah.
to system.
I just copy the pathway on the top
Yeah, I mean, yeah,
and
this
put it
path,
as
yeah,
one
yeah,
section.
this path here.
Do I have to add the Chrome driver name into the
Let me
environmental
see. Let me see when I open my system settings, and then
not just
based on what
not
I did before.
not my hair just to go to get my working station.
Yeah.
Put it all day.
Okay. You see, once you got that, and then you go to environment variables, and then under path, then you hit on new. Under path, you go to. Actually, wait, just open path.
You do edit. You do edit, right? Yeah.
Yeah, but for me, I actually did two, but then I'm not sure which one is the one that is actually working. I did both
You
actually.
need to put Chrome driver Win 32 then.
Yeah, yeah, I did that one. C, then users, Dell, Chrome driver, Win 32. Yeah, exactly. Then you can
Oh,
run my code.
wait.
Sumar is here.
I got Samar here. Yeah, Samar's on, and he's talking like the chipmunk, Alvin the chipmunk.
Haha. Hi.
I realized.
Hello.
We're both streaming.
Yes, you are live. What?
Hey, you're live right now.
Okay, copy and let me Where is my Chrome?
Once I extract the file, it's called Chrome driver and not Chrome driver underscore Win32. Do I put Chrome driver the name or Chrome driver underscore Win32?
That's the yeah. I need to put the entire thing, like the way it is written.
Hmm. I'll try.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay.
So yeah, actually, this website is actually looking for a way to scrape the specialists, like dentists, all the like doctors and stuff all around the world. And then you need to enter like the city here. Then if I type New York here, and then
All right, a worldwide database kind of stuff.
yeah, like people will like post like same like Craigslist or
Mm-hmm.
similar, something like that. And then you choose once you choose the city, and then you want to choose which radius that for you to look for like inside New York, and then you find provider. And what if you have noticed the the URL actually does not change. Normally it's like every time you click on something and then you paste this, then the URL doesn't change. It doesn't go like this New York, then like provider or something like that. It still says the same
So
thing.
basically, it's kind of yellow pages.
Yeah, it's just like
Okay.
yeah. It's like right now the website is this website, and then find provider. And then even when you change the city, like when you type here New York, and then you hit on find provider, you see the name of the website does not change. So if I actually want this page from normal web scraping, I will just get this previous page here, like the previous one. But this one doesn't load. So I think they're using like JavaScript to dynamically load all of this.
That's what React was, which is what
Yeah,
I told you about 2 to 3 weeks back.
yeah,
That's
yeah,
what
yeah,
React is.
yeah. So it's not like loading the actual page. So that's
Yeah,
that's
it
the
does not
problem.
load the actual page.
Yeah,
Yeah, it checks what the differences are from the previous one and the new one, and just loads all those stuff that's new, nothing else.
yeah, exactly. So in that case, the only way for me to scrape the data from this website, so I'm doing like web scraping. But if I want to take this data, I need something that comes here and then automatically write this for me and then scrape the data out. Because when I just type the URL, that will not be possible. Alright, so that's why I'm using like Selenium for now for that.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I have my code here already. Like, I already made the code for this, but I want to start like doing it from scratch so that you can
Okay.
get the sense of how to build it. So I'll start from BS4, import beautiful
Mm-hmm.
soup, and I will need import Selenium and import what else do I need? XML.
Import
I don't need requests. Yeah, I do not need requests. Pandas and the all stuff. This. Okay, let's get URL. Import.
Can you really indicate what Selenium manages in this context?
Oh, Selenium is actually managing the Google Chrome
Google
driver.
Chrome.
Yeah, so Selenium will be like automatically opening Google Chrome window, and then
Oh,
and then from there taking and scraping the data, and even like
so like we're accessing using Selenium to access the website as a client-side user.
what? Sorry.
Like, are we access using Selenium to access the website via the client side
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
client side?
Yeah,
So
it seemed like,
same thing as being down using select PQ PyQt then.
yeah, yeah, exactly, exactly like being, because this one is like you being a web browser. Because before we are like just bots and then sending requests to the website and stuff like that. But this one, no, it's like an actual,
Request to the website and then
Yeah, so it basically renders the whole HTML on the
yeah,
Selenium stuff.
yeah.
URL. Okay. I
Wait,
don't even know there was such a
oh, no, no,
library.
no, no. I wanted to lib. Yeah,
Is it
sorry.
URL lib?
Yeah, I wanted to
Oh, I thought it
lib.
was. I thought it was. Oh, okay. There was such
Yeah,
a library called
it is
URL lib.
URL lib. And then what else do I need? Okay, I need this website. Just copy the same website. Control V. I'll place this in the.
Equals HTTPS backslash choose
I was going to post that inside the thing here. Where
wait. I've already
typed it.
informed you.
Okay, anyways. And what else do I need? Oh yeah, I need to like, so the website. If I go back here, as you can see, like the website, I'm going to be automatically sending data to this website. So Selenium will be like automatically writing this, which I will provide
Mm-hmm.
from my command line. I will just type New York, and then Selenium will take that and then put it here as an input.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that's why I need to take it from the user. So I'll make a address equal to input, and then enter the address you want to to search or something. You want to search.
Okay.
Yeah.
By the way, I managed to negotiate with Isabel David that we might be able to stream in the PP group. And
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
do you like this format of us like asking you questions about how you do a web scraping or like this? Because I actually have little knowledge of how to web scrape, so I would be asking you a lot of questions
yeah,
on the
yeah,
live
sure.
stream.
Yeah,
So do you like this format, or do you want us to be more prepared? It's like right now, it's like you teaching me how to web scrape.
yeah.
Right.
Yeah, not only you, like everybody, it's like just the same thing. We're just going to through this like together. Yeah, yeah, I think it will be great. I don't mind.
Okay.
Okay, dot Chrome, Chrome or Chrome driver, Chrome driver. All right, and Sumar, you need to download Chrome driver from online. Just go,
Okay.
yeah, just go to like Google and then search for Chrome driver, and then just get the version that is suitable for your operating system and your Chrome version or something like that. And
I'll have to search it out. I'll search it out.
yeah, yeah. And then what do I need to do next? Then I will do driver the get, and then inside of the get I'll put the URL, like URL too. And once I do that, for now let me just take, I will take this command here. I will like copy, and then I will go back. I will
Web
explain.
scraping is mostly object oriented programming, right? Because
um
you're indexing into the URL and getting a specific tag as as an object via the libraries like Beautiful Super Selenium. So in order to get the concept of web scraping, I should like be better with object oriented programming.
Actually, no, it doesn't have that much to do with object-oriented program. I haven't been using it like, because you don't need classes, you don't need objects and stuff like that. That's why I don't think you need it.
Because most of the methods and most of the stuff from the libraries that we are using right now, I don't even know the dot execute script method or the Chrome driver.
Oh, no, no, no. Oh, okay. This stuff is all just related. It's inside of this driver here. When I
Library.
say, yeah, when I say driver is equal to web driver, and then I say then Chrome driver. This is like already built. And may I know if
it's
this?
like when you it's like when you say use a dot operator, whether if it's in functional programming or object oriented, it's just to
Hmm.
access all the files within it. Object oriented
Yeah,
is
I know, but
basically, yeah, it's only happens when you have inheritance classes and that kind of stuff. It's if it's not there, and if you're not creating classes to use those objects in other classes and functions,
Hmm.
then you cannot completely term as object oriented. But yeah, there's some kind of approach here and there. It's all kind of a mix up at times, but if you want to go into a complete straight path, then for object oriented classes are basically a must at times, because they are what defines an object in it.
oh,
Hmm. I see.
so then
And when
I
you are, yeah,
know object
when you are using dots,
oriented
it's only to
driven.
access.
I so then I should learn oriented programming to better my web scraping skills.
Um.
Then
There's
No, not
yeah
necessarily
there's two.
for
No,
me.
no, no, it's not needed, it's not
Yeah,
needed.
it's not
These
needed.
two different approaches to programming. Some prefer functional, some prefer object oriented. It depends on the scenarios and what kind of work you want to do.
Hmm.
because my main issue with this is that I would never know all the methods and the libraries in which I could use them to actually get the website down or
Yeah.
write the code.
But it will really help you with Django. It's like if you need that, you did do it in a sense a way that you want to understand Django better, then you learn object-oriented program because when you're dealing with models, you're dealing with forms and all views, class views. All of these are object-oriented. There's a slight change here, and when I say import Selenium, it should be like from Selenium import WebDriver. So that's where WebDriver is coming from. This WebDriver here. So it's I'm getting it from Selenium. I will save that and then I will go to this terminal. I will exit out of this and I think this call scrape data to be scrape data.py. What is that?
You need to change the directory address. You need Python script data type.
Wait. Oh, script data. Oh, sorry.
Python, Python, that's
I
script
didn't
data
put
type.
yeah I didn't say Python. Sorry.
Wait,
No, no such
Are you
directory.
in the proper directory?
me?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I think I
Yeah.
am. I think I am. Okay, let me just save as again, and then I just put it inside. Oh, did I actually save it here? Oh my god, I saved it in the wrong place. I'll put it on desktop here, here.
Is BS4 an individual library or is Beautiful Soup an individual library? Because I
um,
BS4.
install BS4 for OXML and URL lib first before I actually run the code, and usually I won't be able to install them for some reason.
oh,
Mm, I'm not sure about that.
what do you
Beautiful
mean?
soup.
What do you mean by it's beautiful soup and BS different libraries?
Because I just set up my working station on my virtual environment, and I don't think I have any of the libraries installed into my virtual environment. So I just need to know what I need to install.
Oh, do you have Anaconda? Are you using Anaconda or just Python?
I'm using Anaconda.
Okay, if you're using Anaconda, then you have beautiful soup already. You might need to import pip install LXML and also pip install Selenium. You need those. Let me go back here.
Is URL lib integrated into
Yeah, yeah,
Anaconda?
yeah, yeah. It's already
Okay,
built in.
Yeah.
okay.
Okay, you see my app now is running. It's asking me to enter where you want to search. Then I will put New York, And I have something Chrome
There's
driver
no there's no
mod.
attribute of Chrome driver.
You're running it already.
Oh, from web
Fine.
driver dot Chrome only. Okay, it's not Chrome driver.
No, gotcha.
I guess the C is type. Yeah.
Whoops. Yeah, it's just Chrome here, by the way. When I say web from driver equal to web driver and then dot Chrome, so this will automatically look for Chrome driver. If you type like other Firefox or something or other Safari, so it will look for their
Yeah, it's gonna
drivers.
search for the web driver of Chrome.
Yeah, but this one will search for the web driver for Chrome, and I'm not giving it a directory. Like I can tell it where this is. Let's like if desktop something something. But for now, I'll leave it blank because I already added to my path variable.
Yeah, environment path variable.
Yeah, exactly. So
When I try to run the code we just made, I have this from VS4 import beautiful suit. Basically right at the top, I have an import error. So no module named VS4. Do I need to install VS4? Because
okay,
I don't think I can install it.
okay,
Where do I?
okay. Now you might need to
Yeah.
pip install Beautiful Soup 4, like all lowercase, and then at the end just type 4, Beautiful Soup 4.
When using the Anaconda prompts,
Mm-hmm.
what's the difference between pip and conda install? Hello?
I'm not
Hello?
sure. Sometime I just try my luck. Some libraries I get download using Conda install, and some I download it using pip. But I'm not really sure what exactly the difference. But you can always like also like
I
use Anaconda to
I
download.
guess Conda is a better package manager
Mm-hmm.
than the pip of Python itself. Not sure, both are package managers. They can handle packages, pip
Yeah.
and Conda. But
Mm-hmm.
I guess Conda is a better package manager than pip. I've never used it before, but what I've heard is that it updates all your packages and all your modules
Mm.
at once at a time. All of those, which you cannot do in pip. You need to create a freeze file, then have a requirements.txt, then pass through that requirement.txt within that pip, and then it updates all of those. But in Conda, I guess it updates it to the later version itself by its own.
Mm.
The same thing that happens in Linux when you do app to get update.
I see. Okay, let's move on here. Now, this response is will directly like give us. All right, when I say driver that execute script, and then I tell it like return document element dot outer HTML. This is just going to the HTML page. This HTML page here. Wait, am I actually? Wait a minute.
Driver
Oh my
style.
goodness, I've been I've been doing all of that, but I was not sharing my own screen on my own web.
What?
I was not sharing my own screen on
OBS?
on OBS. It's like this is so bad.
It happens.
And even my screen is not like loading. What the hell?
Beautiful. Beautiful. OBS 4. Beautiful Suit 4. I pitched in Beautiful Suit 4. So do I do from VS4 import Beautiful Suit 4 instead of import Beautiful Suit? Because I'm my Anaconda doesn't cannot import Beautiful Suit. It, it just doesn't
Do you have the Conda working? Conda.
conda.
I mean the Conda command. If Conda command working, then you can use Anaconda to download. Just do Conda and install Beautiful Soup for. Try
Yeah,
that.
just when you type conda, it might pop up some instructions. Is it happening? Then you can do it.
Yeah, something like that.
Beautiful soup.
And I do have a big problem with my streaming right now. I don't know. I think I will have to like end the stream and then reopen it again because of the problem with
I'll check if it's working or not. I'll just check from my phone.
yeah,
Is it if it's working or not?
because I don't think you can see my screen behind.
Hmm. I still can't import. Like I still have an import error. Cannot import name beautiful soup.
You can't import.
I can't import. Yeah. Shall I share what I see?
Oh yeah,
What's your channel's name again?
self-engineered.
So,
Engineer browser source image
So I have
display
from
capture.
BS4 import beautiful soup, and when I run this file, the Python script data.py, it says line one from BS4 import beautiful soup, import error cannot import name beautiful soup. But I have beautiful soup for pip installed and conda installed, so I don't
Cannot.
know why it's not running.
Oh no. Is that cannot import name beautiful soup? So you already have beautiful soup installed.
Yes, beautiful soup 4.
Oh, the only problem is just a syntax. You know the soup, it should be capital S
Oh,
in your things. Yeah,
this?
yeah.
Oh, okay.
You didn't save.
Oh right, I didn't save. Yep, I got it to work now.
Yeah, I think I'm going to end this.
Uh, I'm using one on my phone and one on my laptop. So I'm Zoom calling from both platforms.
What?
Like Zoom calling from my phone and Zoom calling from my laptop.
That's why I have a lot of echo on my. There is a lot of. Okay, now I think my screen is visible. Okay, there is some echo, guys. I don't know where it's coming from. Which one? Tony.
Um, I need to figure out a way to turn this off. Hmm.
Now should be okay.
Is it better now?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. Even I got my live stream up and running back again. Anyways, let's continue. So I just got it into hi. Your echo is back again.
Yeah. Wait, is that still there?
Huh?
Like the echoing?
Yeah. Because you need to like at least shut down one of your mics.
Okay.
I hope this sound is not getting into the live stream.
Because last time Ben managed to Zoom call with his phone and his.
Yeah, even I had a client before. She didn't know how to open the mic on Zoom, so she was like using her mic from the phone and the picture from the computer. But anyways,
The Zoom meeting will end in 10 minutes, so we have to just start a new one afterwards.
yeah. So did you get your thing up and running?
I still need to follow through with some of the code from the past one, because I was dealing with the library thing, and I didn't have I was up till response equals to something.
Yeah, I think I'm going to like share my. I will see where is this code. I think this folder is tracked by Git, but for some reason this is not showing. So I will use my CMDR.
What does Chrome driver do? Like
It's going to open a Chrome driver. That's what's going to allow us to actually open a Chrome window.
so URL2 equals to the website, and then the address equals next website. So basically, what you're doing is you're opening a Chrome driver to the website, and then through this code, enter the mobile search or next search stuff to the second URL. Like we're basically accessing the website with our code on asset.
Yeah, using Chrome
Oh,
instead of just sending a request.
I see.
Yeah. So Selenium is mainly used for like web testing. It's like you have a website and then you want to test if new users are coming, how is it going to handle different stuff. So you automate tasks using it. So but now we're using it to web scrape.
What's the response equal to?
Huh? Sorry?
Because I'm at this uh,
Oh, you
response.
are at the thing. Response is just give me a while. Special status. Let's see why I need. I want to add everything so that you can see I can send the code to you. So when I say response is equal to, is it execute command something?
Um, so once we go into the URL2, after inputting the address of URL2
Mm-hmm.
through the URL2 mobile, we get webdriver.chrome driver, and then we say driver.get URL2, and then responses. So like, what do we do with after inputting the address?
Um, after we input the address. Oh, after we input the address, I'm having like Chrome, Selenium, and Chrome driver doing something that will take the element that in the website. Let me share back my screen. So I'm having my website to the Selenium, the code just now website, and then when I write something on the command line, then it is going to come here, and then it will put something as an input. Whatever I wrote, it will put it here as an input.
So response
Response is a different thing. For now, let me go back to it. And then when I say response is equal to driver the execute script document the document element the out HTML. If I copy this and then go to the actual website, and in here I will do inspect, and then I will go to the console. Where's my console? Oh yeah, if I go to the console here, can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I just paste that command in here, dot document element dot auto html. This is just going to give me whatever in this web page here. This is the html. This is how we get the html for the web page.
That's how we do the web scraping. Like that's how we
Yeah,
do before.
yeah, exactly. So we do that, and then we get everything, the html behind, and then I'm saving it to this response
How
as a
did you manage to listen to what Sumar said? I can't understand a word
seriously.
of Sumar. Oh,
I was able, yeah, to actually listen to what he was
He
saying.
he was a lot of chipmunks when he was younger.
Yeah, I watched the movie.
return documents dot outer HTML.
Yeah.
Are you
Yep.
still trying it live?
Yeah, my life is going actually. Before I was not showing
I,
my
I'll
before I was not showing the screen, but now I think it's showing.
I'll check it out.
Yeah. So once you reach
Yeah,
until
it's working now.
this, yeah, once you reach until this point, now we're just going to use beautiful soup to extract all
Are you
the
still trying
the
it live?
the HTML from the response. So I will do beautiful soup, and then inside here I will call the response, and in here I will call the LXML to parse my HTML code, and then I will just do print the soup.
Are you still trying it live? The HTML from the response. So I will do beautiful.
Yeah,
And then
something like
inside
that.
here,
And from here I will let me go back to my code and
Per
let's run one more time. This will open the web page.
Hmm.
Okay, once the web page is fully loaded, then it will scrape the data out of it. It should be coming up here.
Selenium.webtry has no.
All right.
Yeah,
Okay.
everything been printed out directly from there. But now what we want to do, we want to only scrape that data after we have sent some input, because we don't see anything here. This is not what we're looking for. We're looking for this.
Yeah, we're looking for the,
Yeah, for the
what do
output.
we say? Yeah, the output that we get for New York.
Yeah, and then we will take all of this. So there is a way for me to do that here. I will first need to search where is the input box. So I'll do like address box is equal to driver dot find element by ID. Find element by ID is like looking for the element by its ID
HTML ID
in HTML ID.
address.
Yeah, yeah, exactly like that. Right, and this should be after, even before I get the outer HTML. I should be here, and I found address is by looking here, by inspecting this web page, and then I will click on this, and then I will look for this input here, and then as you can see, name is address, class should have an ID. Okay, yes, here's the ID. The ID is equal to address. Okay. I suggest describe this cam, then we can see full screen. Oh, okay. Let me put down my webcam. Du-du-du. Alright, I think this is much better. You can see everything because it was hiding some of the parts. So yeah, I'll be using, yeah, since I was using Selenium just now, we'll just continue doing that. And let's go back. I need to close this. No, not this one. I need to close this guy. And I need to close this guy. Well, I need to. Just now I was saying that I need to look for this input here, so that I will look for it using Selenium later on, and then I will go inside because I'm looking searching for the element by the ID. But so as you can see here, the ID is here inside. So screen then ID is equal to address. That's why when I go back to my code, when I go to this address box is equal to driver dot find element by ID, and then I will provide the ID inside of here address. Okay, and then this is response is later on. Now I need to make an input inside of that address. So like once I found it, now I need my code to automatically write New York in here, and for that I already have that here. So it's going to be like address box dot send keys. So it's going to send something, whatever that we write inside of the address variable, and then it will input that in. Okay, that will be inside of here, and I will save that in here. And then from there I will directly, this will directly run whichever that I need it. So let's just run the script here. I will exit out of that, and then I will do another Python. Alright, then it's now asking me to enter something, so I will enter New York here. And once I do that, it's going to open a new web page or a web window. And inside of that, it is going to search for. It's going to automatically write whatever I just wrote. Whatever I wrote inside, as you can see, it just automatically there. I did not write that. And oh, another very important thing, I needed my script. It has to also click on this button, so I will inspect it. So and I will also look for this button by ID as well. But before that, let's get our friends inside of this live stream, because just now they had to go. Let me go back to my Facebook, and then we will join them, because I was just explaining to them as well in here. Profile hackers. Okay. I just saw this. Yeah, I just saw. Okay. Launching Zoom. Where's Zoom? Launch. Hello.
Hello.
What's up?
Hello.
Welcome back.
Actually,
You went
welcome
and
back.
you went and watched it from the live stream directly.
Yeah,
Wait.
I'm
Yeah.
still watching it right now. But then I did paste the Zoom link on your live stream, so then people might actually jump on and watch it.
Yeah.
There were no a lot of people, especially. Um.
Like so much people jump on.
Yeah. Let me see if I can delete that. It's not here. I cannot see it.
If you scroll all the way down,
Yeah, it went all the way down. It's not. It's not there.
that's weird.
Yeah. But okay. Just now I was saying that. Where is my webpage? Yeah. So I had this written by my code just now, and I got that by going to my here. Once I locate the the input the input key for you to
Address.
write the address, then I do address box and then the send keys, and this will just like type whichever I wrote as an input from my command line inside of the input field.
Is find element by ID a method or is it a custom method? I don't understand
Oh,
that
that's
part.
like yeah, it is. No, it's not something that I wrote. It's part of the
It's something
driver.
in Beautiful Soup. It's something in Beautiful Soup.
Yeah.
So so it is a method. It's so much underscore. I thought it was like a variable or something.
Oh, no, no, no. It's a method built in driver, which is in
Yeah.
Selenium. Yeah.
Selenium. I guess there's one more in BS4. There's one more in BS4. I guess.
Yeah, yeah. Beautiful Soup also has something like that.
Hmm.
Okay, and after I do that, now I need to search for the button, and for that I will just do search button equal to driver. Now I do search button is equal to I think it's driver dot before I did find element by ID. Let me just go and see if I have an ID for the search button, then I will look for it by ID. If I don't, then I will look for it by class. Let's see. Here's the I do inspect and then I will go for the button and then I found it here. And let's see. We have a class here button primary fate blah blah blah. We don't have an ID. We don't have an ID. We only have a class or bunch of classes. So I'm probably going to take this one of these classes, or maybe all of them. I will copy the classes. Where's the copy?
I
Okay.
think Samar just asked a really good question
Where?
that whether we could like view this live stream after the live stream ends.
Yeah, you can.
So that we it might be a better idea if we like sort of script our entire live stream for the future and like we I could like help commentate on and ask questions on the live stream, but then sometimes when we have too many spontaneous problems,
Mm-hmm.
we might as well just watch rewatch the live stream ourselves.
What do you mean? I didn't get what you mean.
Oh, like Sumar's probably like not typing in the code and she's just listening. And so then if he actually needs to like go through this by himself and try out the code, he would not have to watch the live stream.
Entire thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, but then he already know what to look for. But then I will be sharing the code somewhere. I mean, my GitHub,
Okay.
so he doesn't have to because he now like understand, and then he can. I mean,
Oh,
look
browser
for the
for
stuff.
search.
Yeah.
Fine.
So yeah, now I'm looking for the search button, and then I will do like driver define element by class name because I did not find any ID for it. And then I'm giving it the class name that I found inside of the HTML of it. And after that, I will just do for the search button for me to click it. Then I'll just do I mean search button dot submit. Search button dot submit. That will help me click on it. What's going on?
Okay.
All right.
Um, I when I was running this code, I have a problem of actually running Chrome driver. I think I downloaded and installed it into the folder where I also keep scrap data.py. And I put my environmental variables. Is it my environmental variables problem that it's not running Chrome driver, or would you know?
Oh, for now you can run you cannot run the the app. You
I,
mean?
I I still cannot run the code because it's a Chrome driver problem. So I set up the C to users to my name and desktop GitHub and Chrome driver. That's where I put my Chrome driver file after I extract it.
Yeah.
And I changed. I'll change it up a bit and try to run it again and see if it
Are you
works.
using CMDER for that?
C
I mean
N
your
E R.
CMDER. I mean your terminal. Which one you are
No,
using?
I'm using Anaconda prompt, Anaconda 3 Active Web. Yeah.
Can you try using the default command prompt for Windows? I tried using CMDR, it was not working, so that's why I changed to command prompt instead of.
Oh. What's the difference with command prompt and using Anaconda prompt?
I don't know. I think for this case, it's just because of the environment variables. That's maybe it could be. I mean, one way.
Hmm.
All right. Here on my search, I'm
I'll
typing New
try.
York again, and then it's going to automatically open the web page, and then from there, probably going to type New York inside, and then it's going to click on the find provider button. Now we can see the results down here, and once we do that, we have the if I go back here, we already have the HTML code for it. Now all we have to do is just do some simple web scraping. For example, if I inspect here, and yeah, if I want the name of these guys, like Manhattan Athletics, and their name is here. Now all I have to do is look for a for a for a p tag with a class name, and then I will be able to get this. And then maybe after that, I can look for another p tag with the class city state zip, and then for me to get the address like New York, blah blah blah, USA, stuff like that. And if this is just a picture, and same goes for the rest of this everything. Let's see. Am I still live though?
Huh? Yeah. You want me to check?
Sometimes I feel like it's. I'm not sure
Yeah.
because.
Well,
Am I
actually, you're
lagging?
not. Are you live? I don't think you're live. You just finished your video. Oh, you're still live. Yes, you're still live. Good. Yeah.
Alright, cool then. So, did you get it working?
I actually yesterday was getting out my Anaconda prompt up. I deleted commander.exe, the entire thing. So right now I'm installing it again, and it's
No,
gonna take forever.
I mean the normal CMD, just Windows command prompt.
Oh, the normal Windows command prompt,
Yeah. Just use normal Windows command prompt for that. That's what I mean.
like the one that Conti told us not to use.
Yes, that one. That one. I had to go back to it eventually at the end.
Oh, did you like do this the whole day? Like just for
Uh,
this?
this no, I did it like few. I think last week was working on this.
Oh, I see. Activate. When we create. Oh, so when we create a virtual environment in Anaconda prompt, we can also create it in the. We could also activate it in the Windows command
Yeah.
prompt.
You don't have to like. It doesn't. Yeah, of
I
course.
never knew. I thought like the because I thought the command prompt from Windows was so crappy that it can't even access anything else.
Yeah. All right.
Um, Python straight
All right.
data dot.
Now, once I looked for that, I think I'm going to start looking for the name. So I'm just going to call the name of the name is going to be equal to soup.
I still have the same problem for some reason, even though using the Windows command prompt. So I have the Anaconda prompt open and the Windows command prompt open right now.
Um,
Uh,
can you try? Can you
I,
try? It could be from your directory of the file. So did you do both? I'm not sure which one is actually working.
yeah,
Do both,
I
like.
I tried Chrome driver for the environmental variables name and also Chrome driver underscore win32. So I
No,
tried both of them.
I mean here. Go to your system settings. Okay, I know. It's here. Oh God. Yep. Environment variables, and then I do path. And inside here, can you see like once you do Chrome driver underscore win32 and then slash Chrome driver dot exe. I mean
Oh,
that's what I mean.
okay, okay. I'll try to add it then.
And yeah, by the
Edit.
way, you have to add that inside just because so that
So,
when your code actually understand what is Chrome driver when we call it here. Here.
pardon?
No, I'm just explaining to the live stream. Remember, it's like
Oh,
when we are just live streaming, sometimes we just like, oh, we forget about everything and then we just keep continuing. It's like maybe if somebody join new, he doesn't understand what is this. Yeah, that's why I just keep talking,
yeah. Where
explaining.
once you got off of Zoom, you were just talking and talking, and then when did you actually notice that you were off?
Huh?
Yeah, you were just talking and talking when we were off of Zoom.
When
I was like watching. I was streaming a live stream of me watching a live stream.
no, that's great. All right, now I need to grab. Oh my God, why do I have a lot of pages open? I need to grab the name of the specialist or the doctor from the website. So I will go back to the website here and yeah, and then I will inspect this. Oh shit, no. I will come here and then do inspect. I will click on the element that I want to inspect, and you see the class here. P is a p tag with a class name. So I will copy this. I will go back to my code. Oh god, yeah. And instead of name, it's actually small letter name here. Name. Yep. And then let me just print that out. I will stop printing the soup here. And now I will come back here, and what I will do is run this one more time. That find p, what is the syntax class? Oh, there is one more thing here, problem, because when I call the class, I'm looking for the class for the HTML class, but then when I just type class like that, it's a, because Python and have a different understanding for what the class is, so we need to have pass it like class underscore like that, so it does not become messed up with the Chrome one, with the Python built-in class. Now I will search for New York. It will open the web page. By the way, when is our
I think
mastermind? It's going to be in 10
I
minutes,
never
right?
actually got the link to it, so it's probably still the same time, 11:30.
11:30. 11:30?
Yeah, 11:30.
I thought
Last time was also 11:30, so like Brett said it was the same, so I was thinking probably 11:30.
بعد خلص. Okay, yeah, after. Okay, then that means we still have some time. Then we will.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, can I share my screen of like I still have the Chrome driver problem. I just
Yeah, yeah,
still
sure.
can't set.
I stopped sharing.
So I set environmental variables path, edit it, and I go from C users, my name, desktop, GitHub, and Chrome driver Win32 and Chrome driver.exe, right?
Mm-hmm.
It should run, right? Or do I have to exit from my Windows command prompt?
Wait. Let me see again. Where is it?
It's here.
Yeah, but then
Because this is where I stored my file from C users fatass dot desktop GitHub, and and then I indexed into the Win32 and Chrome driver exe, but whilst running
okay, wait.
this,
Wait. Before you do that, you need to. Did you extract the file?
yes, the extracted file is this one.
All right. Because for me it was looking a little bit different.
I also have another extracted one in downloads, but I'll just delete that one and see. Maybe I have to refresh the Windows command prompt, like sort of exit out of it and open it again or something.
Um. Okay. Show me the environment variable again. The, the environment variables. Which one is it? And the system variables? The one down or up?
It's at the very top.
No, I mean when you.
I'll I'll share the specific. It's at the very top.
Oh, okay. But then this is not the same. This is not the same. This is not the same path. Can you go? Can you go back? I mean, just now I was looking at it, but just open the whole thing. I can see it. Yeah, this what should be like, and at the end it's just GitHub. That's what you need to put.
Without Chrome driver Win32.
Yeah, this is one.
Oh, so I need a new one then.
Then no, now you need a new one. That's what I mean when you and I said you need both. And
Oh,
then
I see. I see.
backslash Chrome driver. No, 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 no. Just .txt.
Uh,
Is that what it is?
oh,
The name of it? The name of the actual driver?
the name is just Chrome driver.
.exe, right?
Oh, .exe.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Oh, I see. I see. I'll try running it then.
Now it's running.
New York.
Another problem. Okay, go back. Where is the? Oh, it's not supposed to be Chrome driver. We actually changed that a long time ago. It should be webdriver.chrome. Chrome with a capital C.
Web
No, 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 no.
drive.
No, WebDriver is already written. WebDriver.chrome. Yeah, delete WebDriver. Delete the other WebDriver. Yeah, yeah, and then Chrome with a capital C.
Ooh, I'll
Save.
try it.
I changed that like long time ago.
Oh yeah, it ran. Now I
And
need to.
now just put an underscore after class. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Did it work? Do you think it worked?
Yeah, where is your web page? Is it still open?
Something did pop up and then it closed right away.
Oh, okay. I think for now, just I will just share my code with you. Then you can look at it.
Okay.
Yeah, I just added it. Now I just need to push it to. I think I already pushed it. I will just go and and grab it.
So I'll just git clone your link then.
Not necessarily. You can just look at the code and then like look see what's different.
Oh right, yeah. I'll go to self-engineered GitHub.
Cars is scrape the first one I guess, and then you need to go to scrape data.py.
Car scrape or
Yeah,
scrape data.y.
yeah. I will share my thing. I think on the live stream I'll also share it directly here. The GitHub.
Oh, so you're sharing on the live stream? Okay, I see it.
Yeah, it's there. Just copy and then you can see then what's the different. Where did you go wrong?
Oh, so it was car scrape.
I need to import.
Wow.
Is it working now?
Pardon?
What?
Yes, it's all cars in LA or
Oh, this is all. Most of the web scraping projects that I did are there.
Craigslist cars, get arts.py, scrape
It's
data.
in yeah, scrape data. Yeah. Is it? Can you see Selenium and all of this stuff?
Only
Yeah,
part of
yeah,
it.
yeah, 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 yeah. That's the one. No, but
Hmm.
then it's not actually updated yet. I need to.
Wow, good job. You can continue sharing your screens so that you could like continue
Yeah.
streaming.
Hey, I think the mastermind is now.
Really?
My phone just my phone just gave me an
For some
alert.
reason I haven't never got the link.
Seriously, my phone just gave me the alert that I have a.
Wait, so we just end meeting then.
Yeah, then I have to go. I mean, we have to go.
Okay.
Haha. Who should? It's 722. It's 722. It's 7. Alright, guys, I will have to end this live stream. Hello, everybody. Hi. But we are about to leave. This meeting is not valid, please. Hello, hello. I will upload this live stream. This live stream will be uploaded to see it. I don't know why I'm typing at the same time I'm writing. I don't know what's going on, but yeah. Uh, but at the same time, I will really love to continue this live stream, but I will have to go. Oh, I forgot to tell Tony that. Oh no, I still have some time. Yeah, yeah, I still have 30 minutes. Okay, if you have any question, guys, you can ask or we can chat. Yeah. We were just talking about web scraping. Oh, thank you. You are awesome too, Hamza. Let me share back my screen since we are not coding anymore. I mean, not my screen, I mean my face. Why do I have two screens? Why do I have two screens? I mean, why do I have three screens? I only need this one, my webcam, and whoop. This is pretty weird. I feel like I'm already like on a TV show. I have like two mixers right here. One is edit, one is live. Oh, no wonder. So it's the live one actually showing my face. But anyways, how to extract email from website link. Hey, by the way, Tony, the meeting is actually after 30 minutes. My phone was just giving me the alert 30 minutes before. How to extract email from website link. Well, it depends. Usually, when I go to the email and then you can do something like, let's see, I have my Instagram here, and usually I supposed to. Okay, Instagram doesn't have it here. Let's see, where does actually emails shows up? I need to. Can you give me an example? Can you give me an example like of a website? Hello, Kumar. How are you? We are just chatting for now. We were doing some web scraping, and then we stopped for for a while. I think tomorrow we will be continuing this web scraping series because yeah, we have lost some. Okay, just now you were asking me um, how to do some web scraping. Okay, bye. Since you want to go, but usually you just need to go through the anchor tag, and then you will find a link that says mail to, and then you can get the email from there. Just like, okay, if I give you another example. Here is the website. This is a number, and then we want to extract this number, even though this number is actually visible right now, but they can even hide it. But as you can see at the back end here, they have a href, and then it says tel, and then this telephone number. So similar to that, they will be having like mail to, and then the email. If let's say if I go to my own, if I go to my own, if I go to my own, what do you call that, portfolio. If I go to my own portfolio, because I have an email tag. Okay, this is a website, my own portfolio. And if you touch here, it's going to send you to give me an email. As you can see, it's opening Chrome and opening Gmail and everything. So yeah, we already know there is an email tag here. I would come here and I would go to this link here, inspect the page, and then as you can see, mail to, and then abdullah@gmail.com. That's my email. So all you have to do is inspect this element, and then when you get to the A tag, you just need to do something like extract the extract this href from the mail too. And then you can just do some simple, what do you call that? Some simple regular expression for you to actually get the email. That's what I would do to get emails from the web page. Yeah. I don't know what's web scraping. Can you do a small example now? Um, all right. Everything I was doing is actually web scraping, but I will do that in a while. Question is, if I have a bunch of links of websites, and I want to collect contact email available on each website. Oh, that will be really that will be if you have like bunch of websites and then you want to extract like different emails from them. It's going to be a little bit hard because you need to extract each website differently, and then you do not know which website has, I mean, where each website has the email tag. That's why. Oh, I am with Tony in. I will explain web scraping in just 1 second for you, Hamza. Let me go back and get Tony into this live stream. I need to open my Facebook. Suddenly, I just started using his Facebook a lot, even though I do not want to. But it's in this group. This is the link. I have 20 minutes. Launch. Join with video. Okay.
Sorry if I'm lowering the value of your live streams though.
No, it's okay because even you'll be asking questions and other people will be like getting
No.
value. I want to
Sorry
go
if I'm
to.
lowering
Oh
the
my
value of
god.
your live.
There.
There. Anyways, let's say if I have like Craigslist here, and I want to look for something. Let's say I want to look for cars inside Craigslist, and then I would come into this web page, and then I want to like collect all of these data instead of like I am a lazy person. I do not want to go through each one of these listings one by one and then look at each one's price and then look for different stuff. I can do some web scraping to collect all of these data, and I will make like a bot that would do all of this for me instead of me actually going through every single thing here. And then I can also have it like click on this next button and scrape all of this. I'm also coming down all the way down here after taking all of this data, and then also click the next button and so on. You got the idea. That's what I mean by web scraping.
Yeah. It'd be good if you could share a screen.
Seriously, my screen not sharing?
Yeah.
Sharing, I can see it. Oh, you are not seeing it. I mean the
Yeah, I'm
live
not seeing
stream.
anything.
Sorry, I was shocked just now. You are not seeing it. Okay, here because you already know what's web scraping. Somebody was asking just now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hamza was asking what's web scraping. Any other questions, guys?
So what am I missing? So why can't I execute the Chrome driver? I mean the
What's
web
the what's
Chrome driver.
the okay? Let's debug that. Live debugging. What's the
Live like
live debugging? What is the I mean the error message that you're getting?
it says after I enter the address you want to search, I entered New York. It says message session not created. This version of Chrome driver only supports Chrome version 77. Yes. So selenium.common.exceptions.session not created exception message session not created. This version of Chrome driver only supports Chrome version 77.
Wait a minute. I need to stop sharing and then you start sharing your screen.
Okay. Here. So I entered Python scrape data.py, entered New York,
Yeah.
and I want to go through this. It's the main problem was Selenium in check response, Selenium.com and exception session not created, exception message session not created. This version of Chrome driver only supports Chrome version 77.
All right. Okay. Now you need to know what is your Chrome. What's your Chrome version? I forgot to mention that to you before. For even like that means your Chrome driver is not the actual Chrome driver that you're supposed to have.
So how do I check my Chrome
Just
driver?
just no, just Google what is Chrome version. I mean for you to know which Chrome version that you're using. What's my Chrome version or like yeah.
Wikipedia. Chrome version.
No, I mean type how do I find my Chrome version or something like that.
Click on
Yeah, this
menu.
is the same website I was using last time.
Okay. You can continue sharing your screen then. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll just figure that out.
Then you can do that and then you download whichever, yeah.
Click on the menu icon
Yeah.
upload.
Your GitHub, my GitHub username is, use my GitHub.
Click
Is this my
on
GitHub?
help
It's my GitHub. By the way, guys, I am
about
building Instagram clone app.
Google
If that's something interesting for you, please let me know. I will keep updating that. Just today I was working on it.
Chrome version. Yeah.
Why suddenly it's not working?
So should I download version 70.777? Because I have 76.
Oh yeah, then you need to download Chrome driver version 76.
Chrome. Oh, okay. Download Chrome driver version 76.
A lot of cool stuff in my GitHub, guys. A lot of cool.
I'm thinking of pushing all my CS50 files to my GitHub too.
Yeah, you should.
Yeah, I should. Chrome.
And yeah, but then I have a Kumar said yes. Is that for the Instagram clone? I'm already building that. You can find the videos for that on my YouTube channel. Like then you can start like
Yep.
following that.
I'll start building that too using your GitHub repo.
Yeah, I also like I have two. One is for the people who are following on the page on Instagram. I mean the YouTube, and then the actual app that I'm building. Like for me, I'm building it on my own, and then after I do certain level, then I will go back and make a video about it on YouTube. So yeah, you can choose
Like
which one.
you're always one step ahead of us then.
Yeah, of course. I'm not like building it together with you. If I do that, I will be like doing live googling, live googling.
That's what I do though. That's like
Yeah,
I was thinking we could do live googling.
live googling, live debugging, and then
Yeah,
I
then
get
you'd be like you'd be
sometime.
going live all day long.
That's great. Sometime I will be like some certain feature is not working, and then I had to like get that into a certain. Actually, wait. Why don't I just share the actual app live? I've never shared that before. If I go
Yeah.
here, okay, here you can see this is my Instagram clone app.
Instagram pie.
It is so Instagrammy, right? Instagram Pie. So you already know it's using Python, and
So
then
what features did you change?
certainly I have the login, register, and yeah, if I do
We
this,
should definitely enable Instagram to be used on the laptop because like we could like currently Instagram we can't use it on the laptop or the computer. So if we actually manage to pull it off, we could actually do something very valuable.
yeah, but then do you dictate that or Instagram does? I don't know. I don't know about messages, how you can receive messages and post directly
Isn't
from
it still like
Instagram.
a database in a modal? Like it's still quite function in a database, but it's just real time rendering.
Which one?
Isn't that like a messenger is still a database and it's still a CRUD function enabled database, but it's just real time rendering, right? Messaging.
The CRUD?
Yeah, create, read, update, and delete,
Mm-hmm.
and enter it into a database, and then you link it to a another person's modal messenger. So it's still a database, right? Messaging. It should be.
Ooh, this is not working.
It's just real-time database like editing.
Yeah, kind of. Yeah, because every time it is actually related to the back to the database because every time you create, update, or delete, you are al- eventually creating or updating or deleting in your database.
Hmm.
Exactly.
We should definitely do that.
Yeah, it is actually exactly like linking back to the database. That is amazing.
Oh, I just managed to I did manage to get up the Chrome browser up
You managed
after
to.
changing downloading Chrome driver 76 version 76. So
Oh, now it's
the
working.
code works now. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, great. Is it
Yep.
like opening the actual web page for you and then?
Yeah, it's opening the actual web page. Um. Yeah. But I have another error now.
What is it? As I just
I'll,
said,
I'll share my screen.
live live debugging.
Yeah, live debugging. So I fixed the Chrome driver version problem. Now I have the selenium.common.exceptions, no such element exception message, no such element enable to locate elements method, CSS selector ID. It might be a syntax problem on my
Yeah, I
part.
think it's just a syntax could be. Oh, wait. Okay, when you find element by ID button fade, that should be find element by class name.
Class name.
Yeah.
So I changed this to class name.
No. This is the same. Yeah. I mean, find element by ID. Change it to find element by class name. Class underscore name. Yeah, like that.
There's so many methods with how did you like just learn all these methods
No,
on the go?
I googled all of this.
Googled. You Googled and you Googled and you kept Googling.
Yeah, just now I just that's what I said. It's like if I would do this like live, I would be you will see a lot of googling happening.
Yeah, but then that's the actual real value. Like whenever like newbies like me like sort of get awe-strucken by how programmers actually manage to web scrape,
Yeah.
instead of getting like awestruck by the code that you have no idea how to read it, they actually see the programmer googling all day long,
Oh
and
my
it's like
god.
a huge encouragement.
Like you want to see a live stream that is like 4 hours. Just, just for
I mean, people like
doing all
live
of this.
stream the whole day.
Wow.
Sean McNabe. Yeah, he live streamed for like 7 hours.
Seriously, like people just jump in and go out, something like that.
Yeah, and then like you could live stream 7 hours per day, and then when you're ever stuck, some of the guys watching might be able to help you.
Who? What?
That's smart, right?
Who? Say again?
Like if you're live streaming the whole day,
Uh
and people
huh.
watching the live stream, and you get stuck,
Yeah.
and they might be able to help you if
Oh,
they
yeah,
know the
yeah.
answer, or like
Other
people.
people might be helping. Yeah, like I could doing something and then I will ask a question. Okay. Why don't?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's a great idea. I think tomorrow I will be taking that. But then you want me to be like seeing me going through what do you call it? Video
Um,
tutorial as well.
I think I would still join live stream at 9:30. But if you want, you can like live stream the whole day. I could just like I would like join whenever I want because I can't like I don't have the energy to live stream the whole day.
Yeah, that's what I mean. I want to learn backend Node.js plus MongoDB, which is the best way to learn.
Like a day in Abdullah Ashraf's life of googling and live debugging.
Yeah,
That'd be fun.
Seriously? Okay, I'll think about it.
Yeah. Now I have a Unicode encode error char map.
Kumar, I think you can start by building some projects. Do you have experience with Node.js before? Have you been building projects with Node.js? Then you can start like building a project. Like for me, I'm building an Instagram clone using using Django framework, and eventually later on I will be connecting it with MySQL. You're using MongoDB. I mean,